Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word marmalade. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I spread marmalade on my toast every morning for breakfast. Marmalade is a sweet, jelly-like spread made from citrus fruits, typically oranges. It is often eaten on toast or used in baking and cooking. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.